kitchen with Chef Samantha, and today we're making an Easter egg breakfast basket. Our ingredients to make our Easter baskets are going to be some milk, mini waffles, avocado, cheddar cheese, some spray for your pan, maple syrup, eggs, sun-dried tomatoes, and then of course GODSHALL'S wood smoked turkey bacon. We're going to prepare our pan. If you want your bacon a little bit more crispy, you can put it in the pan ahead of time and cook it longer. But for this, we're just going to start with our waffles. So we're going to wrap our bacon around on the inside and then put the mini waffle in the middle. So the next part is we're going to dice up our sun-dried tomato and our avocado. You can add whatever you want though, onions, peppers, whatever you feel is appropriate. Let's prep our avocado. Now we can distribute our ingredients into our cups. The last step is the eggs. We're going to scramble them with some milk and some cheddar cheese, and then we'll pour them into the cups. Top with our cheese and throw them right in the oven. After 15 minutes, you should have beautiful Easter egg breakfast baskets. Now we can pop them out with a spoon and serve. If you want to add a little sweetness to your Easter, you can top it with some maple syrup. Here are Easter egg breakfast baskets.